Good day, everyone. Welcome to another trading week. Okay, so how was last week? As traders, it's always good when you take stock of your trading activities for the previous week. All right, these are one of the ways to have progress in trading. All right, so I'm going to ask again, how was your uh, tradings last week? What are the highs, the high point and the low point, the losses and the wins? Did you follow the rules? Did you have to wait? Do you wait for your trading setups before you take your trades, or you just want to have clicking syndromes and all? When you make a profit, always try and check why you made that profit. The same way when you make losses, always try and check why you made those losses. It's really very important, and it will help you to grow faster in this trading business. All right. So this analysis will cover for the week. All right, which will be for 12 till 18 or thereabout. Okay, so let's start with the fundamentals. All right, tomorrow Monday, would have the Bank of England will be speaking Bailey. I think Bailey has been speaking every Monday now, but we've not really been seeing the impact in the market. All right, possibly we'll need to pay a close attention to that. And then on Tuesday, that is when the firework will start. To start from the New Zealand inflation expectation quarter on quarter. All right, there is no forecast for this, so we'll see the outcome of this. I don't usually trade in New Zealand, so I'm not going to be paying attention to that. And then at 8 a.m., we'll have the climate count change come out from the UK. All right, climate count really an increased figure is negative for the pounds, and then a decreased figure is actually positive for the pounds. All right, so previous is 11.7K. They are expecting an increase, which will mean that they're expecting the pounds to go negative based on the news. Okay, but don't forget, like I usually say, the market will respond to the actual data when it comes out. All right, but don't forget, for claimant count, an increased figure is negative for the currency. And then at 8:30 on the same Tuesday, from Switzerland, we'll have the CPI. So the CPI from Switzerland will be coming, the first CPI for the week will be coming out from Switzerland this week. Of course, previous is 0.0%. They are expecting an increase to 0.6 percent. We'll see how that plays out on Tuesday. And then the same Tuesday at 2:30 p.m., the New York Open will have the CPI year on year and the month on month come out from the United States of America. All right. Let's see. Let's see. These are the figures. We'll probably be going live on this just like we did for the non-farm payroll where we all traded live and then we all made money. So I'm going to ensure that we all go live on this. If you need the link for that session, I mean for that the live trading session PI, please you might just comment on this video and then I'll send it across to you. Okay, so for the year on year, they are expecting a decrease in the figure. And then for the month on month, they are also expecting a decrease in figure. But whatever the case may be, we'll trade in the direction of the news. All right, on Wednesday, also the GBP, that's the UK Open will have the CPI come out. They are expecting an increase in the figure. All right, which is good. An increase would mean positive for the currency. At 4 p.m. on Wednesday, the Bank of England will also be speaking again. All right, I would like to pay attention to whatever the man has to say on Tuesday. All right. Thursday, like usual, what we usually have on Thursday, you have the U.S. unemployment claims. But then let's start from the beginning. At 1:30 a.m. Nigerian time, we'll have the employment change figure comes out minus 65.1K. They're expecting a surge to 20.7K. That will be a drastic move if such figure comes out, and that will be positive the Oxy. All right, unemployment rate is expected to also increase. I don't know how this is going to play out, we're already forecasting divergence in figure here. So, but we'll see how it plays out. For the GDP will come out from UK from 0.3%. They're expecting a negative data to minus 0.2%. That is, they're expecting a drop in the GDP month on month. All right, for the month of January actually. All right, then and then at 2:30, we'll have the core retail sales comes out. The Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail sales, unemployment. So please and please, for those that will be trading on Thursday, ensure that you take serious caution on your trade. Please have your stop loss in place. It's very, very important. And then on Friday, the retail sales also from the UK will be coming out. The cost PPI, that's Producer Price Index, month on month will also be coming out from the United States of America. And then at 4 p.m., we'll have the prelim UOM consumer sentiment. Okay, so if you check out all these data as they will be rolling out, you can take advantage of them if you know how to trade fundamentals. If you don't, please contact me and then I'll teach you how to do that. Okay, but ultimately this week we should watch out for the claimant count change. First thing first, the claimant count change on Tuesday. Also, we should watch out for the CPI from the Swiss franc, and then the CPI also from the United States, which is the same Tuesday. All right, which other one should be? Unemployment claims also, we should watch out for that. And then the retail sales that will be coming out from the UK on Friday, and then the core PPI and prelim UOM consumer sentiment that will come out from the United States. Okay, you see, there are so many red folders data expected this week. Please be careful. Ensure that you plan your trades properly. All right. Ensure, like I usually say, plan your trades properly. As you are analyzing technically, ensure that you are also following up fundamentally to see where things can possibly go wrong. Let's check the currency strength meter for the week. Okay, so I like checking currency strength meter. Some people don't see any reason for it, but I just like to check. Really, I just like to check. All right, so I'm going to be checking for the week to see what is. Okay, so the New Zealand currency is supposed to be the best performing currency in this coming week, and then the Swiss franc, the Swissy, is expected to be the weakest currency this week. We'll see how that plays out. For those who don't know how to, for those who need this currency strength meter, you can get it anywhere. Just Google currency strength meter, and then it will bring it out for you. I think let's go straight into analysis. I don't want to waste our time too much. I've been trying to check structures on the chart, and then I'm not really seeing anything interesting to me. Really, I think we probably need a very strong fundamentals that will create a new structure in the market. But first thing first, let's start with the DXY. That's the dollar index. All right, looking at the DXY, you'll probably see that we are currently having a rejection at the 104.42 region. All right, and then which will probably see a move down for the week. Yes, we should see a move down for the week in the dollar, possibly to this first phase and then to this last phase before we can get an up move. So this week we'll be selling the dollars. Okay, so selling the dollars would mean that we'll probably be looking to buy Euro USD. So let's start our analysis from the Euro USD, right? Now, looking at the Euro USD, I tried to check on this is the daily time frame, that's the D1, and then I was seeing that currently the market sat on this support, all right, and then it's trying to make a bit of move upward. Okay, so what are the things expected on Euro USD? I'm not sure I'm going to be trading Euro USD for this week, right? I am not so certain I'm going to be trading Euro USD for this week. But if I'm going to be taking Euro USD for this week, I'll probably need another pushback to this point, then I can then look out for a buy to around 1.0890 region. 1.0890 region. Okay, that might probably be my first phase. Why am I putting my target around that side? You know, it's probably just connected to this road here. Okay, so if I see a push down to this point, then I'll probably be buying to this point. At the same time, if I don't get a hit on this support level, which is a demand level, I'll probably look out for a confirmation here. If I see a confirmation, I'll join the buy to this point. And then if we have a breakout from this point here, we'll wait for a touch or a retest. And then it means that we are going to this level. All right. Fantastic. We're going to this level. Yeah. Okay, so since we expect the dollar to go on the downside this week, so we should be looking to buy the Euro USD for the week. Okay, so actually, if you look at it very well, you probably see that on the 1 hour time frame we have our confirmation here. We also have our confirmation here for the buy, and then you could probably see that the market is making higher lows thereabout. That is to keep the bullish move intact. So we should probably get something like this moving up. All right, so this week we'll be buying the Euro USD, possibly on a retracement, or we join the move as it goes. But then looking at it again on the 1 hour time frame, you see that the market is currently sitting on a very strong resistance. All right, so you can see it. Market is sitting on a very, very strong resistance. This is one of the reasons why I said I would need a pushback to those points before I look out for a buy. But if we don't get a pushback to that strong level, we can probably get to this level that I just put there. You can see that the market, so we can probably get a sell up to this point, and then we'll look out for a buy. If we see a confirmation, we'll look out for a buy. So, but ultimately, I'll be looking out to buy the Euro USD this week. Okay, so let's move to the USD JPY. Now, USD JPY, of course, if you have been following my chart, you see that I have this chart for like how many months? In January, I've had this chart. All right, looking to sell USD JPY, but I am really careful because I don't want to push buttons. All right, but if you look at it very well, you see that this guy is already approaching a very strong zone. Right, it's really approaching a very strong zone, and I'll be waiting for a bit of a push up. Well, we could probably get a sell at the current level. It's possible, possible, or we wait at 149.770. That's about 46 pips upward from the current level. If we get that, then we'll probably be looking to have a sell from there. Okay, but I want to be selling the USD JPY. I will be looking to sell the USD JPY this week. Let's go on the 4 hour time frame. Now, looking at the 4 hour time frame, you could see that the market is sitting pretty well at the top. Yeah, and there is no sign of a retracement. All right, but then, like I said, a touch here, a confirmation, and then we pull our trigger from there. Let's check the 1 hour too. Okay. Now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, well, pretty much the same like we have on the 4 hour time frame. Nothing really interesting for now, but we'll be watching to see if a sell move develops. If we see that, we're going to be selling. And then my first target will be here on the low. Yes, my first target will be here. Okay, so I intentionally put it here if you check it properly. Okay, so that would be around 146.23. So currently the market is at 149.24. Okay, to 26. That's almost about 300 pips from the current level. Yeah, 300 pips move expected on the USD JPY this week. We'll see how that plays out. All right, don't forget that we're expecting a bearish USD this week. Okay, so the third currency I will be looking at is Swiss J. Yeah, let me bring it out. Swiss J, Swiss J. Yes, Swiss J. Well, I don't know if I will be pushing my buttons on this, but I'll be watching really very closely. Why? Because first thing first, this guy is ranging. All right, he's ranging at the top at the all-time high. Yeah, he's been ranging there. Okay, just moving up and down, up and down. Nothing really interesting for now. We saw a bit of a break in the move here, but the market quickly returned back into the zone. Okay, so what are we looking at? I'll be looking to sell. Why am I looking to sell? Because I expect the yen actually to strengthen this week. Okay, so on a conservative level, of course, you might probably just want to see uh, might probably want to see a move down to this point and then a break. Okay, so if you probably see a break around that point, you can wait for a retest, yeah, from that level, and then see a continuation to first phase of the target should be around there. Yeah, should be around there. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes. That's 166.75. Okay, so this is my expectation for you. No, for Swiss JPY this week. Like I said, on the conservative level. All right, so let's go on the 1 hour time frame to see. Now, based on the 1 hour time frame, market is really finding it difficult to go up. All right, you can see, and then we're having this right now. So we should probably get a sell to this point, a move up, and then a break that will probably push the market to this point finally. So I'm already seeing some sell confirmation around there. Possibly I'll be selling the moment the market opens for the Swiss JPY. But like I said, on a conservative level, wait for a valid breakout from a ranging market before you push your button. Okay, don't rush, don't rush. All right, when everything is set, you will know that it is your time to make money. Let's also check the AUDNZD, right? This week we'll probably need a very good fundamentals that will change structures, because honestly speaking, we are not really seeing a very good structure in the market. All right, let's check this out. Now, looking on this guy on the daily time frame, you can see that the guy is really very close to this support level, and I am so praying that it happens. Now, if you check, if you remember when we checked the currency strength meter, you see that the New Zealand should be the best performing currency. It is expected that it should be the best performing currency for this new week. So if that happens, then we should see AUDNZD push below, I mean down to this support level that was created in May 2023. All right, from this region, I should probably be looking out for a buy. All right, this is what I have on the AUDNZD. Okay, you can put that on your watch list. Whatever the market decides to do around there, we'll know if we are to go in for a buy or for a sell. But please don't buy or sell until you have the market touch that region. Until you have the market touch this region. Okay, so probably let's map it out. Let me put a map on it. Okay, so it's easier for everyone. Let me just put a map. Yeah, so you have our first move down. Then we would expect a move up from here. First TP. Yeah, why this TP? Okay, so I would expect the market to respect this junction first. Yes. And then we might probably get a retracement or a break. If we have a break, our target for the week will be around 1.0825. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting on the AUDNZ. The AUDNZ is not my typical pair. Honestly speaking, it's not my typical pair, but then I'll keep a tab on it. Okay, let's check the AUD card. AUD card. Now, while checking this guy, I discovered that this guy has actually been moving in the downtrend in an ascending, I mean, in a descending channel, right? And everything looks very intact. All right, but looking at it very well, you see that we are approaching a junction where we should have a break, a retest, and then a continuation. Okay, so this is my plan for AUD card. I expect a break, so I expect a buy, a move up. All right, to this level. Yes, to this level. Let me put this here. Yes, because of this stuff. So I expect a breakout to this level, and then a retest of the broken channel, right? So that is when I'm going to look out for a buy. When that happens, I'll be looking out for a buy that will take us to this junction here. Yes, good. I love that. So this is what I'm looking at for AUD card. Yeah, that's the ultimate target I'm looking at for the Asian. Don't forget, all these analyses are done on the higher time frame. For those that would love to trade on the lower time frame, you can check this out on your 1 hour one hour time frame, or possibly you're a scalper, you can possibly go on the 15 and then the 5 minutes time frame. So again, I'll be looking to buy the Euro USD. Let me just quickly make a recap. This week we expect the dollar to go down, to go bearish. So I'll be buying the Euro USD. I'll be selling the USD JPY. I'll be selling. I'll be looking, of course. I'll be looking to sell the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. I'll also be looking to buy the AUD NZD. Right, after a touch of the low that was created in May last year. And then I'll be looking to buy the AUD card this week. Okay, so this is all I have. This is my top trades for the week. So all I will need to do is just wait for all this setup to complete. Then I'll go in. I don't chase the market. I wait for my setup to complete and then I drive into the market on confirmation. All right, so do the same. Also, please ensure that you do your analysis, all right? But then if you want to make use of my signals, you can drop a comment on this chat box. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want to grow my community. Please and please and please, I don't need to beg. Subscribe if my videos are really if they are adding to your knowledge and if they are helping you one way or the other, please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it with your friends, share it with your groups, let them come on and, see what is going on here. Thank you all very much. See you during the week. Bye bye.